We just got done a tornado warning, and hail is falling like frickin' baseballs and golf balls out here. I'm gonna walk out in the yard in a second, and I want to show this one. It's like a freaking baseball. Look at this. You see my hand? This came out of the sky. This is ridiculous. I ain't never seen nothing like this before. I don't know if I'm ready to continue seeing it, honestly. Look at that, man. It's crazy. Thank God it didn't bust our windshield or anything. And we're under a tornado warning until, till 10 o'clock, I believe. Or tornado watch, I should say. But I'm sure there'll be some more warnings. This is not cool, huddling in the bathtub. Alright.